Welcome. This is how to fix location on Android. So guys, if you are having a problem with location, first hand go for the settings into your device. From here, scroll down a little bit and go for the location and make sure to have it turned on over here. Now, to get more in details, you can just simply select app permissions over here. And now you should be able to see all of the list of application that you have allowed your location to. So from here, if you are having problem with your Instagram and you want to fix the location, you will just simply go for the Instagram and make sure to allow the location on each application. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like, and if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. See you in the next video.